Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about do it yourself video. In Jane room, Helen want to renovate her room, but she can't pay. Because of that, one of her friend, David, suggests to move the bed behind the window and Meg suggests to put the hi-fi on the chest drawer. But Jane want to paint Helen's room. After that, Helen can't paint, and she also not a practical person. Because of that, she gave it to her friends at the DIY store. David want to buy a black color, but Jane doesn't like it, and Jane want to buy a blue color. But David say it's too expensive, and when they want to see a color, they see a orange color. After that, they buy the orange color and also a roller. I fit at house. They start to paint Helen's room, and David say it's good. When Helen arriving at the house, Helen see Matt's t-shirt. She says, your t-shirt is so terrible. And when Helen opened the door, Helen say, because the color same with Matt's t-shirt. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay. Hello, Angelo. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Angelo, what do you think about the video of DIY store? DIY video.
I think it's fun and entertaining.
It's entertaining. Why do you say that?
Because Helen shout.
Helen shouts. Why do you think Helen shouts is fun, entertaining?
I don't know it,
But it's fun for you. It's funny also. Okay. Angelo, what do you think about the orange color?
I think orange color is good. And so, what is the roundness?
Bright. So bright. Do you like orange?
Yes.
Do you like orange? The end of the video is when Helen opened the door, and then she screamed, and then after that the video finished. What is the next scene after that ending?
I think they changed the wall color.
And then
I think Helen like it.
huh?
Helen like it.
Helen like it. Do you think that the friends still want to help Helen to do that?
Yes.
Why?
Because they Helen friend.
But of course, after they help Helen and then also Helen scream and then say the color is horrible, do you think that they still want to help Helen even if they are friends?
No, I think.
No. So they will not help Helen again. Okay. For you, what do you think about Helen's character?
Helen's is tall. Tall
Does she feel grateful? No. She's not grateful. Yes. So she's not grateful person. And then also she doesn't say thank you, I think. Right? Okay. Please give me 3 questions.
Why Helen doesn't like orange color?
Same question.
Same question.
If I told you just now. I mean same answer really. Because orange is bright, like what we said just now.
Why they don't like blue color?
Because the blue color is expensive, pricey.
Why Helen not paint her house? Her house alone.
Her
Her
room
alone.
because
By herself.
she is not practical and she is busy.